Hello, today I will show you how to make the sound a and in Vietnamese. This sound is very special. So this is a, and this is the description of the sound. So you see this mark? This mark. It means that you have to spread your mouth. Okay? This is the shape of your mouth also. And this mark, this one, it means you have to loose your mouth. Repeat to me. A, okay? And these sounds are very special because they are followed by the final consonant. You have to have the final consonant after this sound. And now let's practice some words containing the sound a and okay? So I have prepared for you this one. So repeat to me, please. A, an, chân, 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 ấp, ấp, úp, úp, bắp, bắp, búp, búp, chăm, chăm, châm, châm, lăm, lăm, lâm, lâm. Yes, that is how to pronounce the sound a and in Vietnamese. Remember, once you have to spread your mouth, and one of them you have to loose your mouth. Thank you. Cảm ơn. Hẹn gặp lại.